Welcome to the Prisons RS League.
What league? I haven't seen anybody here.
It's just us.
What's up? What's up, Mr. Junkyard Dog?
Junkyard Dog's in the house, representing,
Ready to put up a showdown.
ready to put a loss on the Nigerian side.
Oh, everybody wants a piece of me. No problem. The Impossibles, what's going on?
I just want to mess it up for everybody.
That's all you want to do?
That's impossible.
Yeah. Hence the
it.
name,
That's
The
it.
Impossibles. So, Mr. JYD, how do you feel being number 12 on the draft?
I'm not
He's
feeling
speechless.
it. I'm not feeling it.
How do you like your division?
I like my division. I feel good about my division, but I don't like that 12th pick.
It's a snake draft. It's going to come all the way
Yeah.
back.
You'll be the first one to have two players.
That's right.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, that's the way to look at it.
Look at it like that.
Mr. Louisianimals, how do you like
Feeling good.
like-
Last year I was about 10th, so I'm feeling better about myself right now. We'll see what we can do with it.
How do you like your division?
You know, it's a luck of the draw, man. You see what you can do with it. You know, injuries, you never know. We'll see. We'll see what.
Mr.
a bunch of bullshit.
Mr. Impossible.
Don't hold back. Don't hold back.
Mr. Impossible.
All I
How do
hear
you
is
feel?
bullshit.
How do you feel? Tell us how you really feel.
Don't hold back. Don't hold back.
Mr. Impossible.
All
How
I
do
hear
you
is
feel?
bullshit.
How do you feel? Tell us how you really feel.
I may transfer to another division on ESPN or one of those. But Philip Thomas and I will be shaking up this division.
Well, this is the pre-draft party. We're excited. It's pretty cool. Looks very exciting. Some good divisions. We're gonna make it happen. Crank it up. Everybody go do your homework.